Here is the leap year program. So we're going to start by creating a Python file by right click on the folder, which is the module that we have, module 4 and Python file, and I'm going to name the file as leap_year. Okay. So I am just going to go ahead and put the question over here so we can see it, and kind of you don't have to do that. I'm doing this way. I'm doing it just for illustration. For you, you can go ahead and start from like your code or start with the comment. So let's take a look at this program. This program says a leap year occurs every 4th year. So I'll give you a description about what's the the leap year. It happens every 4 years. The program wants you to ask the question to input or to enter a year, and the program is going to tell if this year is a leap year or not. And that's it. And then the program is going to stop. So let's go ahead and start the program by asking the user for the year. Okay, so I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to call it year, and then I'm going to say input. I'm going to ask the user for the year. And then I'm going to say enter a year. Again, don't forget to put the \n. Now we have the year that is entered by the user. Since we use the input method function, it's going to be a string. We need to make sure this year is an integer so we can do the comparison. Okay, so now we have to check this year to see if it's a leap year or not. So in order to solve this problem, we need to use an if-else statement. Okay, so let's say if, and here's going to be our condition. Okay, if it's a leap year, go ahead and print year, and then here I'm going to say is a leap year. I'm coming back again to this part to explain it to you. How are we going to do it here? Okay. Else, if it's not a leap year, I'm going to say print year, which is entered by the user, is not a leap year. All right, cool. So let's go back again here and fill this condition over here. So what is the leap year? Leap year happens every 4 years. Okay, every 4 years. I want you to think about things that we learned that might help us to find out. Every 4 years. Let's take a look at the examples over here we have. 1992, 1996, 2000. All these years are leap years. Okay, how can I write a condition that will tell me if it's a leap year or not? So take a look at this one. If we divide these numbers by 4, which is because the leap year happens every 4 years, the remainder of this division is going to be equal to 0. Okay, what things that we learned that can help us to do that? Remember the module? We're going to use the module over here. So we're going to say if year module 4, if the remainder of that of the year divided by 4 equal to 0, then it's a leap year. If the remainder equal to 1, 2, or 3, that means it's not a leap year, and we're going to go to the other branch, which is the else, and we're going to execute this line saying this year is not a leap year. Let's run it and try it again. Here you go. When you want to compile the program, you want to right click, run, and then you will find the leap year over here. Okay, so let's say 2000. 2000 is a leap year. Okay, let's go ahead and run again with 2001. 2001 is not a leap year. Let's run it again with another example. 2002. 2002 is not a leap year, which is correct so far. Everything is good. 2003, that shouldn't. Okay, that's true. It's not a leap year. Let's try one more time. 2004, which is a leap year. It should say it's a leap year. And here is the program, and we're done with it. First, we ask for the year, then the condition. we started to merge stuff that we learned before together. And if this is correct, if this is true, go ahead, execute this line. If it's not true, you will go ahead, the program is going to go this branch and execute it's not leap.